What's up, guys? Back with another video. This is Alfredo, Mr.AMV. So just got off of work. Actually traveling for work today. Near Tabachi, if you guys are familiar with that, kind of near the Grapevine towards LA area. But yeah, I'm currently taking a small hike up here in the snow, as you guys can see. Something that has really inspired me lately has been the ability to take control over all the areas of your life. And I believe that's kind of one of the hardest things to do, especially when we're programmed by society to have certain beliefs. And as those that know me have been able to see my growth in the past few years. But yeah, wow, it's beautiful out here. Look at that, guys. Look at people out there having fun. Oh yeah, it's fulfilling to be able to share knowledge with you guys and wisdom. I've sacrificed a lot of time to be able to bring these messages for you guys. I've sacrificed years. Just with my family's struggles, I always felt like I needed to help them. And at the end of the day, it has truly worked out for me, even though many people tell me, oh man, focus on yourself, this and that. But I've come down to the realization that all of those struggles and solutions that I've had for my family have actually helped me out in growing and having that true problem-solving mindset. Wow, I'm just clearing the scenery out here, guys. It's like trying to do a YouTube video and admiring the scenery. But yeah, a lot of people ask, man, do you really need school? Especially the younger folks. I would say to a certain extent, you need school. For example, if you're trying to be a lawyer, a doctor, a nurse, I highly recommend it. Or anything that has to do with specific studies like chemistry, bio. I would highly recommend going to school for that if you have passion for it. But one of the things that I feel like I wish I would have known before entering college is self-development. I wish I would have known self-development since the beginning of times. But that was something that I had to discover on my own as a first-generation college student. Wow, guys, look at that. Pine trees with silver. I'm glad it's not too crazy right now, or else I would have been freezing. Or to have the proper shoe wear right now. But yeah, guys, this is the type of things that I enjoy speaking upon. At the end of the day, I enjoy helping others. I enjoy bringing certain information that can switch up people's destination. And remember, Warren Buffett said, the more you earn, the more you learn. Ain't that true? I basically got a free trip, because I took the steps to learn. Almost still right there, but I caught myself. Look at the scenery over here. But yeah, guys. I had to go through a lot of things on my own, but I'm grateful I went through them. I like to say, our struggles are truly our blessings. And many people ask me, man, tell us your life story. Tell us your life story. I know I did that podcast, but I just kind of spoke upon my college circumstances and what I went from college. So if I want to open up a little bit of my current circumstances and how I, became this individual that I am now that enjoys helping others mentally, spiritually, and physically, and offering opportunities to people. So if you ever need an opportunity, reach out to me, social media platforms below. But I really wanted to start opening up, about my childhood, and so that way I can bring that awareness to you guys and get away from that victim mentality. Because I've noticed a lot of people are stranded and are stuck when it comes down to that mentality at the end of the day. And one of the things that made me who I am is honestly poverty. And poverty is one of the worst tools that humanity can experience throughout their childhood, especially because you see the parents complaining, arguing about bills, about work, finances. At the end of the day, it makes you unhappy. It makes you question life. Stepping on some ice, you see, hopefully I don't slip and slide. But yeah, I enjoy who I am now because of those experiences. It makes me do better decisions. It allows me to zoom out from things, perspectives, views. It has truly changed my life with all those life experiences. But I just want to continue to express about poverty, what I was going through with my family as a younger age. I was originally born in Stockton, California, and now we're away from Sacramento. And then moved down to Madera so that way my parents could get a job here because they had lost their job in Stockton, and that was a struggle. A city that went bankrupt twice in a decade, so I was seeing a lot of crimes. People breaking into vehicles, broad daylight, people getting robbed at gunpoint, people getting robbed with a bat, threatened, stuff like that, which made motivated me to get into criminology. After seeing all of that stuff, questioning why are people this way, But at the end of the day, it truly does come down to parenting and environment and law of association. Who are you associating yourself with? Are the people that you're with, hanging out with, helping you grow and prosper? Or are they helping you go the wrong direction? As I was saying, we moved out to Madera, California, the heart of Cali. Graduated high school there, and then from there, I did football and wrestling there. After that, I went straight into Fresno State as a 17-year-old, just because I had the grades, but I did not have the mindset just yet. So that definitely hurt me. I was going down the wrong path, meaning, not hanging out with the right crowd, wanting to choose pleasure over growth. That's something that I had to discover on my own. And that's kind of where I landed. A little bit of story about me, and I just continued to push forward and never gave up. If you're seeing me, it's just right now, it's because I didn't give up. There were so many times that I've had failed class, so many times that I had failed in so many other areas of life, like relationships, financially, where I would go back down to zero. And all those things, and I would say, don't be afraid to make mistakes, because those mistakes build you up at the end of the day. Try something new. If you feel like you're in your routine, go do something different. Go do something inspirational that you believe is going to impact the people around you and influence people to take action. And as a kid, I never really got to play in the snow or go to the snow just because my parents were always in survival mode. So just being in the snow is like reuniting with my childhood interviewing, and be like, hey man, we're out here, we made it. You're able to afford a snow trip. Well, technically my company agency paid for it, but because of investing in myself, now I'm enjoying this lifestyle. The lifestyle of traveling. due to my career job. But eventually, my career job is not somewhere where I want to plateau. I still want to continue to grow and prosper and be able to inspire many people. And one of my ultimate goals is truly to help individuals just grow, I would say, and get out of that survival mindset and helping people level up to the next desirable level that they desire to be on, which is why I created this YouTube channel. It has really brought me fulfillment to be able to bring this awareness to y'all and hear all that positive feedback that you guys tell me through my social media platforms and reaching out to me. And at the end of the day, we truly don't know what we have until we put ourselves out there, Yeah. Yeah. I'm grateful where I'm at and where I'm going. And I'm here to help guys. If you guys need to reach out, I'm willing to set up appointments. I'm willing to just go grab some coffee. Because it truly brings me fulfillment. I want to make new connections. Because it's truly sad, when you really want others to grow and they kind of don't see the vision. But for those of you that are at the same frequency or trying to reach a new frequency, reach out. I'm always willing to help in any area of life, I would say. But yeah, just kind of want to, let's see if I can do this thing. I always wanted to do this when I was a kid. Let's see if it works out right now. I mean, half angel, there it goes. Oh shoot, it was freaking cold. It went up my freaking back right now. But hey, some things you got to do it impulsively. That's one of the things I realized now in my life is that being impulsive is good. Just depending on the decisions and the intention behind it. Before, I used to be very impulsive when it came down to reacting to certain things or buying certain things. But now I've come down to the realization that it's all in here, our program. What program are you running? The survival one or the growth one? So excuse my hair. I haven't done it. But, that just goes to show that I'm here to serve, guys. I'm not here to look pretty. Peace.